Are you looking for a way to reduce your swollen ankles? Well, then this video is for you. Did you know that nearly 30% of adults experience swollen ankles at some point in their lives? And today we're discussing simple yet effective exercises which can help alleviate swollen ankles and improve your circulation. Many elderly people struggle with swollen ankles due to poor circulation, leading to discomfort and sometimes serious health issues. Swelling in the ankles, feet and legs is often caused by a buildup of fluid in these areas called edema. Edema is usually caused by standing or sitting in the same position for too long, eating too much salty food, being overweight, taking certain blood pressure medications. It's really important that you understand the causes of your swollen ankles. If you don't know who I am, my name is Marius Visser. I'm a biokineticist at the Oncology Center, and today I'm going to show you 3 exercises to help reduce your swollen ankles. And are you ready to start working on your swollen ankles? Let's begin. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on my treatment bed, but you can do the same exercises on your bed at home. You can do it if you've got a ottoman, or maybe you've got one of those recliner chairs where you can sit back with your feet up. So the whole idea is to actually get the legs up as high as we can, approximately the same height as our hearts. It just makes it a little bit more easier for our circulation to improve if the legs are a little bit up. So I'm going to demonstrate this lying down first on my bed, and the first one we're going to be doing is called a glute squeeze. So what we're going to be doing is we're just lying with our legs as straight as we can, shoulders nice and relaxed. You can put your hands next to your glutes, or if you can get your fingers underneath you a little bit so that you can actually feel them contracting. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep the legs straight, and all you're going to do is squeeze the glutes and hold for 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And again, we're going to do it another 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to do sets of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can really feel those glutes contracting. Let's go for 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And 1 more, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now, it's difficult to do this when you're sitting. You can try to do this when you're sitting in your comfortable chair. It works much better when you're lying down on your back. So maybe do this first thing in the morning when you wake up, or in the afternoon when you feel, I've been sitting for such a long time, I can feel my ankles swelling up. I'll go lie down and do a couple of glute squeezes. Do 2 to 3 sets of 5-second contractions, 2 to 3 times a day. Now, the next exercise we're going to move on to is a calf pump. Again, this one you can do sitting in your comfortable chair or an ottoman with your feet up onto something. And from there, this is almost like doing a calf raise. I'm going to do 1 foot at a time. I'm going to pull my toes up towards my shin there, and I'm going to straighten it as straight as I can. Really straight as I can. So it almost feels like your foot wants to start cramping. And bring it up again. See my big toes moving up and down. And again. And this one we can do 20 times. And we're just going to move it up and down, up and down. What's actually happening is we're causing the muscles to contract, creating like a pumping action, hence the name ankle pump. It acts as a pump which pushes up the fluid back up through the lymph nodes and helping with the actual drainage, getting your ankle swelling down. Let's go for a few more, and then we change. Okay, and change. I can feel my calves actually burning. It's like doing like a calf raise without obviously placing any weight onto your calves. Okay, let's keep going. Push as far down as you can, lift it up as hard as you can. You really want to feel those calves working, because that's how you know the pump is working. Okay, and we're also going to do 20 on this side. And depending on how you feel, if it's too tiring or fatiguing, you can do another set and work your way up to 2 to 3 sets of 20 pumps per leg. Again, either between 1 and 3 times a day. This really is not that taxing or fatiguing. Though you might feel a little bit of burning in the calves. And 20. And relax. Now, the last exercise we're going to be doing for our swollen ankles is ankle circles. Now, I'm just going to sit back, but you can do this lying down or sitting in your comfortable chair. And all I'm going to be doing is circling my ankles like that. And I'm trying to create big circles because I really want you to feel these muscles working. Now again, you can either start with 1 foot at a time or you can do 2 feet at a time. It's all up to you. 9, 10, let's go for another 10. So you really feel the burn. It's good. If you feel how hard your calves have to contract and then relax again, contract and then relax again. So it's going from the front, now it's contracting at the back, and as soon as your feet come up towards the front, it contracts on the front, and as soon as you go to the side, it contracts on the side, on the peroneals, and also the tibialis posterior. All these muscles in your calves are now contracting like at different stages, okay? So that further helps speed up some of the return of fluid from down the ankles, back up the legs, and through the circulatory system. Let's change, let's go the other way. Ooh, they're burning nicely. And these are good exercises for the ankles as well. So if you want to strengthen your ankles, strengthen the ligaments, create some mobility, create some more fluid in the joints as well, that synovial fluid. It's also very good for your ankle strength. So now we're getting a 2-for-1. We're not only getting rid of swollen ankles, but now we're actually strengthening the ankles as well, increasing their mobility as well as circulation. And relax. Whoa. Another exercise you can do 2 to 3 times a day, 20 circles one way, 20 circles the other way. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tell me down in the comments below how your ankle exercises are going. See you next time.